If you are searching for ExoMiner.com coupon code or a promo code, you are in the right video, because here I am going to share for fresh coupon code which is working right now in this website, and you can use it. You can use in any country and you will get discount according to the terms and conditions. So how you can use it? Simply add this coupon code on a checkout page and you will get discount according to the terms and conditions of that coupon code. So here is a full fresh working coupon code, and if it is working for you, just hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and if you want more videos on that topic, simply comment down below. So here is a full fresh coupon code which is working right now, where you will get amazing discount. So here we go.